In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link. Whether you're scheduling an important business meeting or organizing a virtual hangout with friends, setting up a Google Meet link is an essential skill to have. Don't worry if you've never done it before, by the end of this guide, you'll be a pro. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Meet. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in meet.google.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the main landing page of Google Meet, where you have the option to start a new meeting or join one that's already been created. Now look for a button labelled New Meeting. It's usually located toward the center or upper part of the screen depending on what device you're using. Go ahead and click on that button. This will present you with a few different options, such as starting an instant meeting or scheduling one for later. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to schedule our meeting using Google Calendar, which offers a neat way to organize future events. After you click New Meeting, you'll see the option to schedule in Google Calendar. Choose that and you'll be directed to Google Calendar, where a new event page opens up. Here's where you can input all the details for your upcoming meeting. Enter the meeting's title, choose the best start date and time, and be sure to adjust these according to your time zone, as this ensures everyone is on the same page regarding when the meeting starts. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, scroll down to find the Add Video Conferencing option, which should already be set to Google Meet. If it isn't, no worries, just click and select Google Meet from the drop-down menu. This will automatically generate a Google Meet link for your event. The last thing you need to do on this page is to save your settings. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page depending on how your settings are configured, and click it. This confirms your meeting details and returns you to the calendar view, showing your newly scheduled meeting. If you want to invite others, all you need to do is click on the event you've just created. After that, click on Invite via Link. This will prompt a pop-up with a link that you can send to your attendees. For convenience, there's a Copy Link option, which you can click to easily copy the meeting link directly to your clipboard. Once copied, you can paste it in an email, a chat message, or wherever you choose to notify your guests. There you have it. You've successfully created a Google Meet link. Just share this link with anyone you'd like to attend and enjoy your virtual meeting.